What's up, guys? Alright, so we're here at the set of Blood Written Letters. Got a cool shack behind us. We're gonna go walk in and check it out. We're gonna see how it looks, get things staged up, ready to go for today. Come on in. Oh yeah. Oh, this is perfect. This is exactly what I was picturing. Yeah. It's just a matter of which one do we want to do where. So that's the rear door. One of these sections is going to be the room where she's going to have her sitting in on something. We're probably going to bring a chair. I have a little table. We're going to bring her something to sit on, and she's going to be writing them. It's in here. Yeah, I can put a piece there, and we can just keep.
Look out. It doesn't even really hold up there. That piece kind of holds it.
Yeah, okay, well, hey, you do you. The opening shot's gonna start way back here, and it's just gonna see this in the background with the red coming through the doorway, and I'm just gonna start way back as it has that little intro, and then as it starts to speed up, as it hits, that's what's gonna stop on right up close here, and then it's gonna slowly dun, dun, it's gonna slowly peek through the door and see everything that's going on in there, that kind of stuff. So. Making some letters. You know, we're in arts and crafts time. I like to think of this as a young Bob Ross doing his thing on the paper. Loading up all the camera gear. I'm gonna try to put everything I can in my little satchel here because I don't want to have to lug this pellet case up. So we're just getting all our equipment ready, and then we're gonna head up, just kind of get everything figured out how we want to sit it, and then as soon as the model and Travis get back here, we are going to start. It's very cold, my friends. It's very cold. You would not want to be here right now. I know Josiah doesn't want to be here right now, but it's gonna be fun. All right, so this is the room where we're gonna stage all the letters that are gonna be on the walls. We're gonna kind of plaster the entire area, cover it. It's gonna look pretty cool. We're gonna throw probably this light up here to shoot down a spotlight kind of down on her, diffuse it a little bit. And then we're gonna throw some red mood lighting on with some gels as well. But we gotta do this so we can get them up here and actually get started. So let's get to it.
This will be a new hashtag. Hashtag KP was at my party. That shit going viral.
Here's a blood written letter I just wrote out for you. You think I am fake, but I am represent true. You can say it's too simplistic or you're just confused. Yeah, love me or hate me, but fuck, this is all that I know. Laughed at me, thought I was nothing. Now you're just a thought trying to get something, yeah. Just a horny little muffin trying to get eight, so watch your own button, your pants. But you're begging for a chance. Go rapper, baby, do your little dance. Yeah, do your little dance. Double take a second glance. Switch up now, you're trying to get on the pants now. Let me in the
We're here with
Catherine. Either. Whatever's easier.
We're here with Catherine, who's doing an amazing job. If you can see the walls around you, they're all kind of splattered here, so it's been a great...
It's been a good time. It's been fun.
Good time so far.
In the middle of the woods.
We're in the shack in the middle of the woods. It's not weird unless you make it weird. Don't make it weird. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
What's a homie? Homies don't worry about a dollar. Homie worries about your life, making it past the day to see tomorrow. Doesn't wanna see you wash your head in sorrow. Homie doesn't have a heart that's hollow. Homies don't wanna see you drown inside of a bottle. They wanna help your harmony like being in vibrato. Like a Gemini in a tower, keeping it real, but spit the change if you hit the lotto. But you wanna see me fail, wanna see me sit my ass in jail. Wanna people open me up like a bag of chips, throwing me away as if I was stale. Now you're not even gonna know me when I make it. Shady shit wasn't mistaken. I seen between the lines. No matter how hard you tried to fake it, body language lighter than a motherfucker. You ain't even need to say shit. Like your pocket, I ain't even gonna pay it. No mind, I'm taking back every right that I know is mine. You ain't gonna take another credit for any single one of my rhymes. Without you, I can see I am doing just fine. Spontaneous, and maybe I am not a blind. But I'll be damned if you take a single credit for any of my success or any of my grind. Fuck you for even trying. Bitch, quit your line, get the fuck out of the line.
Here's a blood-written letter I just wrote out to you. You think I am fake, but I only represent truth.
Straight getting some.
Oh, jeez.